Why, hello there. I'm making a video. I'm gonna be drawing stuff. Not stuff. I'm gonna be drawing one thing. Okay, I need to be more enthusiastic. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm making a new video, and I'm gonna be drawing Brawlhalla characters badly. Okay. First one, Bodvar. I need to get a picture of Bodvar. Freaking die! Okay, get a picture of Bodvar. Brawlhalla. Please don't be slow. Okay, while I wait for that to load, I'm gonna do this. Okay, what do I draw? My drawing tablet is glitching out right now. It keeps making dots. There's no reason. You guys saw if you're watching this video, you would have saw my school stories video. You saw my school stories video, yeah. It was bad. It was, if you couldn't tell already, it was a joke. It was freaking a joke. What am I doing? It's probably loaded now, but I even want to finish this picture. Draw. I'm probably gonna edit music into this video. No, I'm probably not. I'll see. I'm eating an Oreo. Tastes good. Crunch. Wait, I need to do something. ASMR. Okay, yeah. Bodvar. Please don't be anything inappropriate. Okay, good. I'm gonna use this picture right here. Copy. Go back to MS Paint. Paste. Break. What the? Oh my god! Oh wait, I need. Oh my god. Click copy image. Shut up. Bam. Copied. Okay, let's do this. Need a bigger brush size. It's funny because I'm doing this on MS Paint. What the frick, drawing tablet? Why? Why? Okay, it's good so far. It's good. It's like Dr. Seuss so far. Pretty good though for Dr. Seuss. I mean, Bodvar, no. Never mind. Don't even ask. You can't ask me anything because you're watching the video, so yeah. This is so good. Oh my god. I should frame this in the art museum. This is so good, oh my god. It's beautiful. I am the god of drawing. But at the same, oh my god, I'm too quiet. Die, 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 die. I'm putting music in this video because it's too boring to watch. I might color this. I might. Alright, looking pretty good so far. Holy frick, this is so bad. Make him his abs. Wait. I'm gonna color it now. Color it. Oh my god, that is a brown color. That is too brown. I mean, black. I mean, never mind. Okay, color in this. Frick. Control Z. I'm too lazy to switch brush colors, so I'm just gonna do the do. And bam. What? Ow. Oh, what? That little space right there. And this little space right here. I hate using dot paint. I'm gonna switch to paint tool side. What the frick? I'm about to pick. After this video, when I draw Cassidy, I'm switching to paint tool side. I'm done. I have to be done. So good. I don't freaking care about that. Forget it. This is actually beautiful. Frick. Stop. Don't save. Please don't save this. Don't stop. Stop. Don't save this. I don't want to save this. It's too beautiful to save. That makes no sense. Okay. Grab this color. Okay. Good. I didn't give him ears. Whoops. I forgot. That was good. Really stretched on my voice. Yeah, boy. Give me again. Oh wait, this is the color I'm supposed to use, not right. Yeah, this color is the color of the colorness. I made a thing. I did the do. Color is Eebs. I'm not gonna shade this, I don't feel like it. Okay, maybe I will. Nah, I'm not. I don't have time. And that is it! I am done! Bodvar, get that out of my face. Yeah, boy. Boy. I missed. Boy!